Oh, whoa! Oh, look! Look at this amazing laboratory. And all right, who are they? He might be a doctor or a scientist, and the younger one, maybe his son, nephew, or a student. I don't know. Oh, here we have the first part of the story. Professor Lindenbrock examines an ancient manuscript. He knows that the document reveals a secret, the existence of a passage to the center of the earth. His nephew, Axel, is watching him curiously while he reads attentively. They are discussing the adventure with enthusiasm. Oh, there is a special name. Do we have to get in? Okay, let's go, right? All right. Whoa, oh, wow! Look at these colors. Hey, where are we? What a beautiful forest, super strange. It has lots of trees and flowers that I've ever seen before. And, tiny lights in the ground. What are they? How can we make these tiny plants grow? Oh, whoa, the ground is shaking. Hey, here we have the first text we just read, but there are missing words now. We need to complete it. Sure that magical things will happen. Let's do it. Professor Lindenbrock. An ancient manuscript. And we have two present simple options. Examines or examine. Let me think. Professor Lindenbrock is a man. So if I would have to think about the personal pronoun, it's pointing, it would be he. So, saying that, remember, in a present simple, we need an S or an ES after the verb. So, he examines, right? Am I right? Professor Lindenbrock examines an ancient manuscript. Wakala! Hey, look at that light under the ground. It became a beautiful tree. Love it. Let's keep reading. That document reveals a secret, the existence of a passage to the center of the earth. And options are again just in the present simple. No or knows. If we have he, it has to be knows with the S, right? Yes! And another light! Look at this beautiful bush with purple flowers. Love it. His nephew Axel is him curiously while he reads attentively. So got it. Now we have one option in present simple, watch, and the other one in the present continuous, watching. But how could I know? Remember, if I have the form of the verb to be is, Axel is, he is, for sure I need an ing after. Yes, so let me just say Axel is watching him curiously while he reads attentively. Am I right? Boom, boom, boom! Okay, and from one light we have three beautiful trees. Love it! The final one. They are discussing the adventure with enthusiasm. And are the adventure? Okay, the options are one in present simple, plan, and they are plan the adventure, and the other one in present continuous, planning. They are planning the adventure. Can you guess? I think it sounds much better, are planning. Yes? And remember that we have here the form of the verb to be are. So for sure is the verb with the suffix ing. Present continuous. Yeah. Oh, whoa. Look at this beautiful forest. You like it? I love it. Guys, it's time to keep exploring. Let's get in the nave.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hi, my friends. Let's keep learning with the present simple and the present continuous. See that in here we had the explanation we saw on the previous worksheet about the differences between present simple and present continuous. And I'm going to use like this beautiful pen, okay, marker, sorry, to trace over the words. So let's say present simple, the usage is habits, facts, okay, so we use it for habits, like things we do very regularly, facts, like real facts, and frequent situations, okay? So this is something that I am tracing over situations. Well done. And then what? The present continuous is for things happening right now. So let's just go and write things happening. Things are happening right now. Well done. And then let's go for the form. When we are writing present simple sentences, we do that using the verb in infinitive. The verb in infinitive. Well done. And when we do it with the present continuous, we say the form. We need the form of the verb to be, and the verb ending in ing, okay? So remember, present simple, habits, facts, situations that happen regularly. I read books always. And present continuous, things happening right now. Like I am reading, okay? Right now, a book. Okay, sorry. Now let's go for the activity we have below here. And it says, complete the text. What is the best word? Oh, and we have a hint. We can watch the video attached to this exercise first, okay? So let's just read. Professor Lidenbrock, an ancient manuscript. Okay, so what options do we have? Professor Lidenbrock knows an ancient manuscript, is watching an ancient manuscript, planning, are discussing, on examines. I think is knows maybe. Let's just, I don't know if I have a pencil, but I'm going to, yes, I think I have a pencil. Let me just write. Yes, because I am not sure. So I'm going to say knows, okay? Professor Lidenbrock knows because we have the S, and Professor Lidenbrock is a boy. So for he, we need the S. He knows an ancient manuscript. He, I know. No, it's not knows. It's examines, okay? It's examines, right? It examines. Professor Lidenbrock examines an ancient manuscript. He knows now. He knows that the document reveals a secret, okay? See the difference, right? The existence of a passage to the center of the earth. His nephew, Alex, is what? I think is watching him curiously, right? This is something that we have in here. Is watching. So let's just write is watching him curiously while he reads attentively. They are planning or discussing the adventure. They are planning the adventure with enthusiasm and are... No, they are discussing. Yes, I think that is right now. The first one is they are discussing the adventure with enthusiasm and are planning, right? They are planning the adventure immediately. Yes? Okay, see that here? These two might also switch and also would make sense. They are planning the adventure with enthusiasm and are discussing the adventure immediately. Both could work, okay? But remember, present simple, we need the S when we are using a subject such as this one, the Professor Liedenbrock, okay? And then for the present continuous, we need to remember to put the forms of the verb to be in front of the verb ending in ing. Okay? Good job, guys!